Have you been looking for a condo with tons of space without the high price tag to match? Well, today I'm in Toronto's historic Distillery District to show off what could be the one that you've been waiting for. Welcome to 39 Parliament Street, Suite 314. As we step inside, we're greeted by a spacious foyer and a large coat closet. And this sets the stage for what's to come because this 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bathroom unit has a total of 1,177 square feet and lots of storage in every room. This is the kind of space that they literally do not build anymore. And if you do find this kind of space in downtown Toronto, it's generally with a pretty high price tag. Even in this market, typically selling for over $1 million, so I think you'll be pleasantly surprised when I share the asking price for this unit at the end of the video. In addition to being sizable, this is a southeast corner suite, which brings in plenty of natural light. You get to catch the sunrise, and the unit holds the warmth throughout the day. We just checked out the kitchen, which is its own delineated space, something that more and more buyers are appreciating these days, but there are also possibilities for a new owner to do some renovations and make the unit more open concept. I also love how this unit has plenty of space for your living room furniture, a separate area for a dining table, and even with all of that, the setup still feels quite open and airy and not at all cramped. The unit faces southeast, and that's also where the balcony is located. The east exposure makes the balcony the perfect spot to catch the sunrise with your morning coffee, and the south exposure means that light will flow into the unit throughout the day. Let's now tour the primary suite, which is tandem with the den, the perfect spot for a home office, a separate chill space, or even to make room for guests when you have them. This room is capped off with a large wall-to-wall triple closet and a 3-piece ensuite bathroom with storage. Something that I have yet to mention, but is definitely a bonus, is that this entire unit is wheelchair accessible. Therefore, this unit suits the needs of really any buyer. You might benefit from that today, appreciate that it's there for the future if needed, or you can choose to modernize the suite and change things up if that's your preference. On our way out of the unit, I'll give you a quick glance at the ensuite laundry, and then I'm going to take you for a look at the building's party/multi-purpose room, as well as part of the rooftop terrace that has incredible CN Tower and skyline views. And for those of you not familiar with the Distillery District, it is one of Toronto's most unique neighbourhoods. It's set amongst beautifully preserved Victorian industrial buildings, and it's a pedestrian-only area filled with restaurants, cafés, boutiques, art galleries, and year-round events. Thanks for sticking around for the tour. This property is listed by myself and Lori Mae Ash with Sage Real Estate, and the asking price is $689,000. What do you think?